Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC prelims question. Okay. In this session, we are purely focused on the economic questions. Okay. So this session is majorly focusing on how to approach the upcoming prelims and how to find the key within the questions to solve it. Okay. And how to crack in more easier manner. Okay. So this is the major motive behind the session. Okay. Let's begin the session. Okay. The service area approach was implemented under the preview of, see, this is most easiest question. Okay. See, it is the answer is actually lead bank scheme. Okay. So why the lead bank scheme? Okay. See, after the independence, okay, there is a need for the growth in the rural area. Okay. So because most of the population still rest in the rural India. Okay. So if there is certain needs of growth, means there is a need of financial inclusion. Okay. The flow of money need to be there also. Okay. So if the person is need to do any certain economic activities, means he needs certain funds. Okay. So he need to borrow money. Okay. But the issue is in the rural area, it is morely of flooded with the money lenders. Okay. So this money lender is actually reducing the financial inclusion activities. Okay. So for that, the government of India did lot of things to increase the financial inclusion in the rural India. Okay. So they created the regional rural banks, small finance banks, cooperative banks. Okay. In such a manner, they created the lead bank scheme also. Okay. So the lead bank scheme means that consider that if the district is consists of around 20 to 25 villages, means the RBI will designate any one bank as a lead bank. Okay. Consider that it is a SBI. Okay. They are designating the SBI as the lead bank in that district. Okay. This SBI will coordinate with the other banks. Okay. Such as Axis Bank, ICICI. Okay. And Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. So they will coordinate with all other banks in their district. Okay. To increase the financial inclusions towards rural India also. Okay. To increases the financial flow or else lending activity that reaches the rural India. Okay. For that, this SBI will coordinate with all other bank. Okay. And they will create a certain chain of events, and by that they will increase the financial flow towards the rural India also. Okay. So this is the major idea about the lead bank scheme. Okay. So this scheme approach is called a service area approach, which means in any area they will designate any person as a lead. Okay. He will provide all the services with the help of the same people. Okay. So same mindset aligned people. Okay. This is called a service area approach. Okay. It is like a voluntary scheme. Okay. Which means, see, for example, I am saying, okay, consider that in your district the government is asking for certain voluntaries, means the person will be voluntarily or willingly come to the picture, and they will do certain activities towards the government. Okay. So this is also like that only. Okay. The service area approach is also like that only. Okay. So the RBI will designate certain bank as a lead bank. Okay. So they will coordinate with all other financial institutions and the banks in their area. Okay. By that, they will provide the financial inclusion or the financial flow towards the rural India also. Okay. So this is called a service area approach, and this approach, by that approach, they implement a scheme is called as lead bank scheme. Okay. So this is all about the service area approach and the lead bank scheme. Okay. So the service area approach was actually introduced in the 7th 5-year plan. Okay. This may be the question in the upcoming prelims. Okay. So this is all about the lead bank scheme. Okay. So under the SSA, each bank branches in the rural or semi-urban are designated to serve an area of 15 to 25 villages. Okay. The branch is responsible for meeting the needs of the bank credits of its service area. Okay. So this is all about the service area approach. Okay. Thank you.